Jadia. I'm going to be demoing mscribe, which is a lecture bot that you can use to interactively chat with your lectures. I'm going to be testing this on the lecture from the 27th of October. September. So let's watch a part of the lecture. All right. So this is an intro on the lecture. Sorry, this is August 27th. And I want to learn about different aspects of the lecture. So what I can do is I can go to different content in the lecture. For example, let's see here. Or here. I can ask my chatbot what this lecture is about. What is this lecture about? And then we receive a response. So we can see the lecture is about human-centered software design and development. It emphasizes creating projects tailored for users different from the developers themselves, ensuring a focus on diverse user needs throughout the course. What this enables us to do is ask lecture-specific questions. For example, we could ask, what are the important aspects of this class? And we would receive an answer to this. So for this class, accessibility, inclusive design are emphasized in the lecture schedule. Are there any significant deadlines in this class? We can ask more questions about the course or anything that the lecture has information for. So for example, since this is the first lecture, we have information on forming teams, and then additionally we might have some more other information. And then just to prove this works on any lecture, we can go here, we can go to any lecture recording we want. I can pick a random one. Let's pick this one from the 26th. That is not an actual lecture. Let's pick this one from the 10th. Cool. So just starting this lecture, I want to know what it's about quickly in case I don't have time to interact with it for a long time. I can just ask, what is the summary of this lecture? Sorry, sometimes it takes a minute for our backend to process the lecture and sync it. Cool. So essentially, this lecture's content has been converted into vectors, into vector space, and this question we ask is also converted into a vector, and essentially we do cosine similarity, and that gives us our output. So this lecture focuses on UI and UX design and Nielsen's heuristics. And now maybe I don't know what this is, and I want to learn more about this. So I can ask, what is that? And I'll get an answer. And what this enables the user to do is get deeper insights on the content they're watching. Even if I go towards the end, maybe let's find a specific example in here that maybe I don't understand. Let's see. For example, someone with a high EQ may be able to successfully infer an emotion, but they can still get it wrong. And it's always better to ask. Let's ask, why is it better to always ask instead of assuming the person with high EQ is correct? And the lecture will give a response that's based off the transcript of this lecture. So this chatbot has essentially told us, assuming someone with high emotional intelligence is correct can lead to misunderstandings. So essentially, we're getting deeper insights on any content we want from the lecture. Let's move on to something else. Let's see. This slide seems somewhat interesting. Alright, help users recognize and diagnose and recover from errors. Does the error message provide them with a clear outcourse? So we can ask, what questions should I be aware of when diagnosing errors? And as you can see, we got the exact content from the lecture in a more deeper, truer way. And essentially what this allows us to do is make every lecture understandable. We are working on a timeline summary feature where you can see the timeline of the lectures soon. That will be coming soon. Thank you for watching.